It is most definitely time for a deep clean. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to yet another clean video. I'm doing the deep clean of the kitchen this time around. I was gonna do the whole house in this video, but because deep cleaning takes so long, I just decided to start with the kitchen. And I always start off with cleaning off the counters until I get tired of it. And then I started with the dishes. All right, you guys, I am attempting to clean behind this oven, and unfortunately I was able to pull this out, but I don't know if I could stick it back in there, this spot that is in. Like, the oven comes out easy. Ooh, look at all that food. Now, this was the first time me pulling out the oven since I moved into this apartment. And honestly, I didn't even know that you could pull the oven out to clean behind it. I didn't know that until my last apartment. And I was like, oh my goodness, I've been slacking. And there was a decent amount of trash in there. And this is most definitely something I am going to work on doing more often. Now, I think I should have unplugged the oven before I started sweeping and mopping, but I didn't know if I could, but I'm pretty sure I could have just unplugged it. So I was just making it a little bit harder with that cord still plugged in, but I cleaned the back of it to the best of my ability. And here I am trying to put the oven back, and it would not go all the way back in. So I ended up giving up and calling maintenance to push it back in for me. And I also forgot to clean the side of the oven before pushing it back in. So I ended up just pulling it back out and cleaning it real quick.